In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. There's some push pins. In the center, there is an area where you can use a Phillips head screwdriver just to raise this up a little. Just using a trim tool. Pop out the push pins. Should be 2 more there. Oops. Grab this panel, slide it up, out of the way. Pop these push pins out up top. Just use a trim tool. These should come out with just a Phillips head screwdriver. Ours are frozen, so they're not going to come out. We're going to have to use some pliers. Just going to take the rubber boot off and using some heavier duty locking pliers. Just going to loosen these up. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. Take that out, do the same on the other side. Remove this shield. Use a 10mm socket. There's bolts on the front. Take those out. Back here, there should be 4 screws. You want to take those out using a 10mm socket. Take those out. Same on the other. Then grab this panel and just slide it back. There's a push pin right here. You can pop the center down. Just use a trim tool, pop that out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Grab this panel, and just make sure that separates. It's good right there. And do the same on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, take all these bolts out. It's going to be holding this front spoiler on as well. Slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. So just grab these shields and just slide them down out of the way. They can hang like that. Take the wheel off using a 21mm socket. Grab the wheel, slide it off. In the inner fender well, we're going to take these push pins out. Use a trim tool. Just pop these off. And pull back on the inner fender well. Slide that to the side if you want. Using a 10mm socket, take this screw out. Just grab the bumper cover and just forcefully pull out and forward. We're going to do the same on the other side. From the front, just grab the cover and slide it off. Separate this grill. I'm just using a pick and just get in underneath here. There's a little clip there. There should be a couple there. Just pop this off. Just get underneath it. You can use a straight blade screwdriver as well. Pop that up. And these other ones, just using a little pressure, just pulling it up. And just separate it, and it slides right out. These side grills, you just push a little tab right here and right there. Just push it down. There's another tab over here. Push that down. That slides out. You can do the same on the other side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take these screws out. There's a couple clips. You can push up on the clips. If you need to, you can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just unclip that piece. And slide that right out. Take this trim piece and we'll line it up. Push it down in place. Make sure it locks in. Flip the cover over. Put the screws in. Snug those down. I'll slide these covers over where the fog lights would go. Snap it in place. Do the same on the other side. Take the grill, line that up, and lock it in place. Just make sure it clips in. Looks good. Take the bumper cover and we'll line it up. Take the screws and screw these in. Snug that down. And line this up. Take a push pin, put it right there. And throw the tire on. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Now slide these covers in position. Line those up. Slide this in position. That lined up. And where the retainers are up there, you want to put the bolts in. Take these bolts, line these up, get those started, and then tighten those down. Slide this piece in place, get the bolts started. Make sure you just get them all started before you tighten them down. And tighten those down. I'll line this up. Take the push pin, line that up, push that in, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. I'll slide this underneath. And take the screws, go back here. I'm going to get those started. Snug those down. Put the other ones in. Ours are broken on this vehicle. And it screws up front. Get those started. There should be one there. All right, snug all those down. Put the push pins in. Lock those down. If the little rubber bumpers came out okay and you can reuse those, put those in at this time and tighten those down. Slide this cover in place. Take the push pins, get those started, and push them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.